Hello traders, welcome back to our weekly Forex analysis for this week ending June the 19th. We've seen some quite wonderful moves in the market this past week. We saw um, the pound dollar pair go according to our analysis. Um, some of our analysis for the week, we had to take a different stance because of the change in market structure. On the whole, we're quite profitable. Um, we had to change our stance and our direction based on the change in market structure on a daily basis. Um, for those who have been subscribed to this channel, say thanks to you. Say thank you. For those who've been clicking the like button, say thank you to you. For those who've put a comment for us to follow up and know that people are gaining insight into market direction from these videos, I'll say big thank you to you too. Well, if you're new here, this video will be beneficial. I'll also say click the like button. If you're new, subscribe. You can leave a comment, and if you want to look at some other pairs other than the ones I look at on a weekly basis. I also want to say these videos I make is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risky business, and you need to get good financial advisor to put your money out there in the market to trade. Now, with that said, let's look at what this new week holds for us. On my chart, I'm looking at the pound dollar pair and I'm looking at the weekly time frame. From what we have here, we can see that prices have gone up like I analyzed for this week to test the highs at 1.2813. I was looking at prices getting to 1.2765, got there and shot up to 1.28 handle and has closed on a bearish note. This past week has closed on a bearish note and telling us there are sellers at that area that have pushed the prices lower. Now, from what we have here, what do we expect market to do when it opens on Monday? Basically, I'm looking forward to seeing prices go to retest the lows at 1.2385 area. Looking at it from a weekly standpoint, but let's zoom in. Let's look at the daily time frame. And from what we have here on the daily time frame, you can see that prices close above this range we've had for some weeks now. And basically, if based on price action alone, we can say prices have entered the bullish mode. But if you take a look at the movement in price, you see the price action here coming up this week was quite strong, very bullish. We had the range, and our next going up to break this highs here at the 1.2630 area. We saw very small bodied candles going up to test that 1.28 handle. And based on this price action, I'll be looking forward to seeing prices coming really low, even as low as the 1.2165 area. But basically, we could get to 1.2185 area. Sorry, that's where local prices getting to. But basically, what we have here, we see prices retest the highs, the broken support at 1.2580 area and continue lower. The next area price is going to have support is at 1.2385 area. When we see a break and close below that, we'll be heading towards the 1.2185 area. That's my take for the pound dollar pair. I'll go straight up to gold. For gold, what we've seen so far, look at the weekly time frame. We had a very bearish week a fortnight ago and had a quick run up back to the highs of what we had a fortnight ago this past week. Now, what do I expect price to do when it opens on Monday? I expect a retracement down to the 1715 area before prices go higher. But let's look at the daily time frame. Now, from the daily time frame, what we have, we've seen price go up to test these highs, and we had Thursday as a bearish candle. Looking the candle looked more like a spinning top, and we had a rejection on Friday. Prices tried to go beyond the highs at the 1746 area, but was quickly pushed down by the sellers. Now, based on this price action, I expect a slight retest, maybe up to the 1746 or 44 area, and a continuation lower. Our first point of resistance, of support is at 1715 area. A break and close below that to take us to 1685 area. So basically, I'll be looking forward to seeing sales after this slight retracement. But if we have a break and close above these highs at 1746 area, we'll be looking forward to going as high as the 1801, and that's up this way. Okay, next I'll be looking at the dollar Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, looking at it from the weekly standpoint, we've seen price come, we had choppiness this way, and we've seen increased momentum to the downside. Now we had something that looks like a piercing candle pattern on the weekly time frame, but I see it more like a pullback because we had price go up this way and was rejected. We have the longer with the upside than the downside. Looking at the daily time frame, we've seen the run up to this area, and we've seen something that looks like a spinning top. The loss market is likely to reverse at this point. So basically, what do we do when markets open on Monday? I'll be looking forward to selling immediately. Let me see if that will be true. Yeah, looking forward to selling immediately because we have a double top and there's bearish divergence here on the RSI. We have bearish divergence, very clear here on the daily time frame. Yeah, we have bearish divergence. And so with that, I'll be selling, and my first target will be at the 1.3440 area. If we see any reversals around here, we'll be going back upwards. But any break and close below this will take us to the 1.3385 handle, and that will be my take for the week. The next I'm looking at is the dollar yen pair, and for this pair, we'll our analysis here was quite spot on. We found that based on daily price action, we saw a quick rundown. Market was just bearish the whole of last week. We look at it on a weekly time frame. Let me remove this Fibonacci time frame here quickly. Remove them. Okay. Now, going to the weekly, we've seen prices close very bearish, very bearish. Based on what we have here on the weekly, we have something that looks like a bearish engulfing candle, and basically I'll be looking forward to more bearish price action. First of all, we look like being in the range, we came down this way, have gone up to test the highs at 109.850 handle. But went quite beyond my take, which has been the analysis the weeks gone by. Now, I'm looking forward to seeing prices going lower. So, what do we do when the market opens on Monday? On Monday, I'm expecting price to test the broken support at 108.18 handle and continue lower. And we're going as low as the 104.25 area. That's why we're looking for the same price get to 104.25 area. The last I'll be looking at is the euro dollar pair. And for this pair, we look forward to seeing bearish price action, which we finally got after the retest of these highs here. From what we have here in daily, I'm looking forward to seeing more bearish price action. Let's look at it in the weekly time frame first of all. In weekly, we have a hammer, a classic hammer. Not a classic hammer, but a hammer candle on the weekly, telling us there's huge rejection to this to the upside. So we most likely prices will look forward to hitting support below it, and that I'll be looking at seeing price get to the 1.1150 area. If we have a break and close below that, we're looking forward to seeing price hit the 1.1030 area by the end of the week. Yeah, that's my take. 1.1035 here, 1.1035, 1.1030. Just that within that area, that yeah, we see price hit support. All right. With that said, that'll be that for this week. Um, keep your comments coming. If you enjoy these videos, hit the like button. You have to know that people are gaining good benefits and good market insights from these videos. All right, that'll be that for this week. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.